In this episode, we look at science. Hello, boys and girls. At the end of this week's lesson, you will be able to define the concept environment, name and describe terrestrial and aquatic environments, locate and identify things in the natural environment, and complete at least 4 of the 8 activities at the learning centers. Planet Earth has different kinds of environments. These can be grouped into 2 main types: land, also called terrestrial, and water based, also called aquatic. Both living and non living things are found in these environments. Figure 1 shows 2 types of environments and examples of each. So here we have environment broken into the 2 big groups, aquatic and terrestrial. So we have marine, wetland, and freshwater that fall under aquatic. We have forest, grasslands, and desert that fall under terrestrial. Engage. In groups, explore the school compound and use a digital device to take photos of different areas, such as under rocks, below, under leaves, below rocks, and in soil. Use a thermometer to record the temperature of each area. Record the light conditions in each area. Explore. Access the internet and download and view videos of aquatic and terrestrial environments and the types of vegetation found in each. Explain. Complete figure 2 by writing 2 examples of vegetation under each heading. So here's the heading: desert, example of vegetation, example, and savanna, example there, example here. So let's think of a desert. What would we find? Depending on the type of desert, maybe we would find like acacia trees or cactus or something like that. Cool. And savanna, grass. What else would we find? All right. So think Lion King when you're thinking about this one. And which other cartoon we can think of for this one? Uh, can't remember now. There was this one with the lizard. So Savannah, you can think of Johnny Depp's movie Rango. Okay, so you'd see him being a lizard in that, and you'd take note of the environment and some of the vegetation therein. Extend. Complete figure 3 by writing beside each number examples of vegetation found or grown in each terrestrial environment. So figure 3 here, grassland, given examples, forest, and desert. Evaluate. Complete at least 4 of the 8 activities at the learning centers. Here we go. Faye Ellington Center. Write a paragraph on the types of vegetation found in the following aquatic environments: marine, wetland, and fresh water. So, what kind of vegetation or plant can we find in the marine environment, wetland, and freshwater? So, let me just think of the marine. Have we ever heard about grass in the sea? Or kelp? Mm, cool. And then we can see that things actually grow in seawater that are plants. And you list others now for the wetland, other areas, and freshwater. Cool. Let's continue. So self-link the Dr. Agri Irons Center. Make a journal entry expressing your views on types of vegetation grown in aquatic and terrestrial environments. Music link from the Jimmy Cliff Center. Write song lyrics on aquatic and terrestrial environments. Picture link from the Edna Manley Center. Download images of different environments and create a carousel of these images. Body link from the Rex Nettleford Center. Use available resources to make a model of the environment. So some people would use clay or Play-Doh or paper mache, and they could create the environment, for example, a terrestrial environment, and then add features to it. So trees and houses and whatever. Number link from the Albert Einstein Center. Write examples of 3 types of aquatic environments in Jamaica and North America. Which is the most abundant aquatic environment found? Social link from the Mary Seacole Center. Use a digital device and take photos of the model environment that you created. Then share these images with your classmates. NatureLink, Diana Macaulay Center, collect and display samples of living and non-living things found in the following areas: under a rock, on a leaf, and in the soil.